All right, boys and girls, I have my number bond with me. I have my math worksheet. First things first, let's put our name at the top so your teacher can see whose hard work is whose. All right, on here we have our number bonds. We have our whole number, and then we can break our whole number apart, right, into two parts. So what I want you to do is I'm going to do this two ways. I'm going to show you on this number bond. So I'm going to have my whole number here, and I'm going to grab my items that I have. I have a cube train, and I have 2 to represent the whole number as 2. I need to break 2 apart. So I'm just going to pull it apart, and I'm going to place it in my number bonds. What are my 2 parts? 1 and 1. So here on your math page, you have a whole number of 2, and we just showed that 1 and 1 make 2. Remember, when we decompose, we kind of do backwards math, right? Where our whole number comes first, we have equals, and then we have 2 equals 1 plus 1. Those are our 2 parts of 2. All right, let's try another one together. What's our next whole number? 3. So how many do I need? Right, 3. So go ahead and put 3 objects together, or whatever you have in a pile, put your 3 together. I'm going to write 3 on my number bond. That's my whole number. I'm going to break 3 apart, okay? And 3 can be broken apart in many different ways. As your number gets higher, you're going to notice that you're going to have more ways to make that number. So I'm going to pull it apart. 3, what 2 parts of 3 did we find? 2 and 1. So on your worksheet, my whole number was 3. My numbers were 2 and 1. So on my worksheet, 2 and 1. 3 equals my 2 parts. 2 plus 1. Kindergartners, you're going to go ahead and finish the next few number bonds. Remember, look at your whole number. Gather how many are your whole number. Separate them. Make 2 piles. You're going to fill in your number bond. So 2 and 2. So Mrs. Porter would write 2 and 2. 4 equals 2 plus 2. And you continue on. Your whole number again is the number written. Break it apart. You might have different answers. You can break the higher numbers apart in many different ways. Don't forget. All right, kindergartners, enjoy your e-learning day, and we'll see you back in the classroom on Monday.